Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now, today we're going to talk about a very important question, $1 million question actually. So which one should you invest in? Crypto or in stocks? Now, of course, there are many reasons and there are implications on investing in each one of them. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you what the experts say. So this is an interview which Times had done, and they had interviewed 5 people, and they have given their thought on this particular point on whether to go in for crypto or stocks, and what should be the percentage, how much of crypto and how much of stocks. So we're going to talk about all of that today in this particular video. So before we dive in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on that. And also, please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my insights. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, before I start a video, I talk about my ebook. This particular ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my 6-figure corporate job. So it talks about, my preparation, the challenges I faced, and how I overcame those challenges on my way to becoming a successful entrepreneur. To help you or anyone who's looking to becoming an entrepreneur, I've also put down 3 worksheets in this ebook. So you have to answer certain questions and get certain score, and you will know at the end how close you are to becoming an entrepreneur. And the cool thing is, I've scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010. So you will know how much I scored, and you will also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, other one in India, and representations in the US market. So you'll get all of that in this book, and this comes to you for totally free of charge. It's FOC, it's available on my website, the URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below, click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook, and do give me your honest feedback. Now, let's jump into the topic of crypto versus stocks. So what's the crypto investment dilemma? So we talk about that. Cryptocurrency is still an extremely volatile investment, prone to big swings in short time frames. Very true. There are no regulations. Yet everyday investors are crypto curious. Some of the most visible financial influencers are also starting to talk and think about crypto more. You may have heard a lot about that in the past and in my videos. Elon Musk is one such person. As with any new investment, it's important to do your research, understand all of the risks. Experts say you shouldn't invest in crypto if it means you can't meet other financial needs like paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or maxing out other retirement accounts. And just because crypto is new and interesting doesn't mean you need to invest in it at all. And people have been successfully saving and investing for retirement since long before crypto was around. So given that, let's talk about what the investors have said in their interviews. So this is one gentleman, Vishen Subramaniam. He says that 2 to 5% of your net worth is what you should invest in crypto. So he says crypto investors who are interested in crypto should have between 2 and 5% of their net worth in it. Says this gentleman who's a founder and financial planner of Capital V. So 2 to 3% is usually what we see for most clients who are not tracking crypto market more than once a week. The risk and volatility associated with cryptocurrency has much to do with its relatively short track record, at least compared to the stock market. So Subramaniam advises clients that they can adjust their crypto strategies accordingly as more time passes and we learn more about its performance. But until then, he says that he recommends reducing your risk by keeping crypto holding to a smaller share of your investment. So that's what he says. Second, we look at this lady, Teresa Morris. So she says 1 to 4% of your portfolio. So how much you should invest in crypto depends on how interested in and aware of the market you are, says Morrison, who's a CFP at the Beckett Collective. So pretty much similar to what Subramaniam said. Crypto-aware clients sit in two camps, crypto-savvy or crypto-curious. For the crypto-curious, a 1% diversification can be a way to explore crypto. For the crypto-savvy, think about your asset allocation and diversification strategies in a similar way as you would with the traditional portfolios. Crypto should be considered an aggressive asset. The holistic picture of both is the important one. What's the impact of your net worth is again that you should. But generally speaking, she says that recommends keeping away, so up to about 1 to 4% or below 5% is what she's saying. Let's look at what this gentleman says, Dan Heron. So up to 1% of your assets. Start slow recommends Heron, who's a CPA at Elemental Wealth Advisors, and then slowly add as you learn more. With my clients that are interested in learning more about crypto, I tell them that they can have up to 1% of their assets in cryptocurrencies and remaining 99% in traditional assets. However, as they become more familiar with the crypto space, we can gradually allocate more of that allocation. But again, don't exceed 5% right now. The crypto market is still too young to warrant a bigger allocation in the investment portfolio. What this gentleman says, Ryan Sterling, not more than 3% of total liquid assets. Crypto can be a very good opportunity to diversify your portfolio. He's the founder of Future You Wealth. But still keep your allocation below 3%. I'm using crypto as part of client allocations, but limiting exposures to not more than 3% of total liquid asset. What does this gentleman say? Michael Kelly, 1 to 2%. Depending on your situation, a low allocation can present new opportunities for a healthy investment portfolio. He's a CFA at Switchback Financial. But remember, crypto is volatile. Depending on the client's unique risk return profile, I see that a very minimal allocation, 1 to 2%, can be potential opportunity. I view it as a valid asset class in a portfolio due to its lack of correlation with the traditional investments of stocks and bonds. For Kelly, crypto's volatility and unique characteristics also present an opportunity. Although it is high volatility, the lack of correlation reduces the overall portfolio volatility, provides a potential for a significant upside for returns. Now, this is, if you look at it, to summarize, all 5 of them are saying that you should not go beyond 4% or keep it under 5%. So 4% or keeping under 5% is the max that they're talking about. So I would really urge most of the investors to be a little circumspect about crypto. And I've mentioned this in many videos of mine that you should not invest too much in crypto because it's a very volatile investment and there are no regulations. And of course, correlations are not really there. And if you see my first slide here, it's really been influenced by other people, some celebrities, Elon Musk, as I mentioned. So be wary of that. I've done quite a number of videos on cryptocurrency. I will link you one. I'll put the link to one of the videos that I did on why what are the elements that you should look at before you invest in cryptocurrencies. I've linked that on the card above. Go take a look at it. I'm sure it will be useful to you. So, well, thank you very much. I hope this video was useful to you. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below so that you get to know my profile. Click on it, go to the profile page. If you like my profile, please feel free to connect with me. I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological investment challenges. If you or your company is looking to engage in me as a consultant, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could contact me on the contact page of my website, whose URL will be in the description box below. Then we can have a discussion and see how we can work together. So finally, before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, do stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.